Yeah, as you say, only 10 riders finished the race. That turn one was quite critical. The fact that yesterday rain was no rubber, no Michelin rubber on the racetrack, and from the beginning I saw that was more slippery than usual. On that turn one also was a bit, but tailwind, and pushed the bikes a bit out, and was more difficult to stop. So yeah, I was taking care about all these things, and especially when I saw a lot of yellow flags, a lot of marks on the racetrack, this gave me that extra concentration.